Ever questioned why you're feeling unusually thirsty or why you're visiting the bathroom more often than normal? Could these be symptoms of diabetes in women? These are common queries that don't often get the attention they deserve. In our everyday hustle, we might overlook these subtle signs that our bodies are trying to communicate. It's time we shed light on these seemingly mundane symptoms that could potentially indicate something more serious. If you've been experiencing these symptoms, it's important to know that they could be signs of diabetes. Let's delve deeper. Diabetes is a serious condition that affects millions of women worldwide. Here are the 7 common signs to watch out for. Let's start with the first sign: frequent urination. When your body can't effectively process sugar, the kidneys work overtime to filter and absorb the excess, often leading to regular trips to the bathroom. If you find yourself waking up multiple times during the night to urinate, it might be a sign that your body is struggling with high sugar levels. Moving on to the second sign: an unquenchable thirst. This symptom often accompanies frequent urination. As your body loses fluid through increased urination, you may feel dehydrated and develop a constant, insatiable thirst. The third sign is unexplained weight loss. Even though you might be eating as much as you usually do, you might notice your weight dropping without any effort. This happens when your body can't get energy from glucose and starts burning fat and muscle for fuel instead. Next, we have fatigue. Feeling tired all the time is not just a sign of a busy lifestyle. It could be your body's way of telling you that it's not getting enough energy from the food you're eating because it can't properly metabolize glucose. The fifth sign to look out for is frequent infections. Women with diabetes are more susceptible to various infections as high blood sugar levels can weaken the immune system defenses. Blurred vision, our sixth sign, can occur when high blood sugar levels cause the lens in the eye to swell, changing your ability to see clearly. This doesn't just affect your vision, it's a sign that your body is struggling to maintain a healthy level of glucose. Finally, the seventh sign is slow-healing sores. High sugar levels in the blood can affect the body's ability to heal and resist infections, especially on the skin. These are the 7 common signs of diabetes in women. But what does it mean if you're experiencing these symptoms? Experiencing these symptoms doesn't necessarily mean you have diabetes, however, they should not be ignored. Let's take a closer look at the 7 common signs of diabetes in women and the implications they carry. Firstly, excessive thirst and frequent urination. These symptoms occur because your kidneys are working overtime to filter and absorb the excess glucose in your bloodstream. Second, unexplained weight loss. When your cells are deprived of sugar, your body starts burning fat and muscle for energy, causing weight loss. Third, fatigue. Lack of sugar in your cells can make you tired and irritable. Fourth, blurred vision. High blood sugar levels can pull fluids from your tissues, including the lenses of your eyes, affecting your ability to focus. Fifth, slow-healing sores. Over time, high blood sugar can affect your blood flow, causing sores or cuts to heal slowly. Sixth, frequent infections. Diabetes can make it harder for your body to fend off harmful bacteria and fungi, leading to more frequent infections. Lastly, tingling hands and feet. Excess sugar in your blood can lead to nerve damage, causing this symptom. Each of these signs is a potential indicator of high blood sugar levels, a hallmark of diabetes. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to serious health complications like heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, and even vision loss. It's vital to get checked if you're experiencing these symptoms. Remember, early detection can make a big difference in managing diabetes.